Hey everybody, it's Whisper. I had to restart my video. Kept stumbling on my words. Sounded horrible. Anyway, we're talking about the year 2017 because I haven't recorded since last year. Welcome to 2018, everybody. I'm just gonna pray that you have a year, and it's not a bad year. Let's hope 2018's better than 2017. Now let's talk about my videos for a second. They're very, out there and stupid, and I sound like a dweeb in all of them. And I keep shifting my mic to hopefully get more sound, because earlier it was not making any sound at all. For those of you wondering, let me look at my headset here for a second. On the side it says Ninja, so I'm pretty sure this is a Ninja headset. Let me try to find a photo of it and show you. So this is the exact one I have. So yeah. If you're wondering what I use for recording, it's a gaming headset. It's my little brother's, and he lets me use it because I don't have anything that has a microphone on it. Anyway, so 2017 was quite the year. I got a screen recorder. I did giveaways and random sheet. But let's talk about the trends on MSP. Oh, okay, never mind. It's frozen. Give me 5 minutes. Ah, yes. The autograph trend. I am a victim of this trend, too. Autographs, please. 12 out of 100. Helpers can get wish lists. But then they never actually give you wish lists. Have you noticed this? Now this trend has seemed to carry into 2018. It's not a bad trend. The rare trading epidemic. Been going on for years now and I don't see an end to it. Giving out your kick to people who you barely know. Now, that's a trend. That's not even really a trend, it's just something people do. Let's go look at the forums. Exposing people. Now, this man doesn't like cough drops. The forums. Oh, yes. This was a year of forums that was filled of hating on other forumers, calling people autistic, and making the word autistic a joke. Now let me go get our special guest real quick. So my brother won't come in my room, because he's a butthole, but he has autism, and I asked him, how do you feel when people use autism as a joke and don't apologize? Doesn't like it very much. It's just, you throw that word around and you don't realize who could be reading that actually has autism and Down syndrome. Amber, freaking hate her. I mean, what? She's a great person, totally. Throws the word autism and Down syndrome around, and it's just kind of annoying, and she got bashed for it. And people are like, why are you guys just trying to, bring dirt to my name? I've never done anything wrong. And I'm like, girl, where? Sorry. I'm gonna just, calm down now. And finally, on to art books, because I don't know about movies. Giveaways. Dot arts. That has been the number one thing to do. And let me show you how people do dot arts, I believe. Because I do dot arts sometimes, they take this and they slide it under there. You were to slide it under there, it would fit perfectly. That's how I believe people do dot art. Now I have a dot art. Really proud of this, Tyler Joseph dot art. And I even used a pun, let's get him to the top. And this literally took me like an hour or so. It was horrible. Yes, I'll probably do it too. But yes. So those were some of the worst and best trends on MSP in 2016. I mean 27. It's 2017, y'all! No, it's 2018 now, bro. Eat. I need to stop. Now, as a tribute to the start of 2018, I will be hosting a giveaway. JK. I don't have anything to give away right now. I wish I did. So instead, I'm just going to be singing, like, maybe the first part of Why Don't You Do Right by Jessica Rabbit. Okay, it's not by Jessica Rabbit. It's by, like, I think it's by someone named Peggy. So I'm on Wiki right now, and it says it was originally recorded as a Weed Smoker's Dream. And Flynn Pop song written by Joseph Cansif Joy McCoy in 1936. See, someone named Peggy sung it, so I was not that far off. Oh, hello. Let me go gather up some confidence real quick. So I found my confidence. It's called my cat. She came up here when I said I needed confidence. You had plenty money, 1922. You let other women make a fool of you. Why don't you do right? Like some other men do. Yeah, I sound like trash. I'm sorry. That was just a suggestion from one of my friends. No, it's not the one that's always commenting. Hello, Arthur. Shout out to you. You're amazing. But no, I lost a bet with one of my friends. So, yeah. I don't like singing in front of people. As you can tell, I suck. Let me find the video that got -2 likes. Literally, my singing videos get a lot of views. And they're not me. Look, 64, 31, 26. You see a pattern here? Okay, this one got 2 likes. Oh, this got a heart. A heart. I don't know why. This got a like. Hey, good job on the video. I hope you get many subs. Hey, I feel like I know at least one of these first people's. It's probably this one. Because this is the one I shared with my friends when I was in a group chat with them. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. 3 likes, 1 dislike. I cringed at my own sound. Ignore the guy who disliked this video. You sing good. Nice singing. It's Samuel from... Oh, I know who that is. Started singing along silently. I know who that is. Yes! Oh, that's my friend. So, yeah, if you wanna go watch those, you can. But they literally suck ass, and I don't know why people think they sound good. So, yeah. Having said that, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Happy 2018. Don't die. Don't get hurt. Crock a sow. Whisper out. Blah, blah, blah.